Imagine this. You've just landed in a new country. The sun is shining. The air feels different, exciting, full of promise. But then, you try to order a coffee. The barista smiles, says something you don't understand. Suddenly, it hits you. You don't speak the language. You're not alone. Thousands of expats have stood exactly where you are, unsure, a little lost, but full of hope. And here's the truth. You can overcome the language barrier. In fact, with the right mindset and tools, it might become one of the most rewarding parts of your journey. Today's episode is all about that moment and how to move from confused to confident in a place where nothing sounds familiar. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming at first, like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. But when you follow the right steps, it becomes surprisingly simple, almost like child's play. And in this video, I'll walk you through 7 powerful steps that can turn confusion into confidence. Step 1. Know where you're headed. Already picked your destination? Then your language is clear. Start learning it, still exploring options. Consider this. The most widely spoken languages, Mandarin, Spanish, and English, can open more global doors. So whether you're heading to Mexico, Shanghai, or Sydney, you now have a starting point. Step 2. Set realistic, actionable goals. Forget cramming vocabulary lists. Instead, ask, what do I want to do in this language? Examples. This week, I'll learn 30 words for grocery shopping. By next month, I'll be able to introduce myself and order at a cafe. Break your goals down. Write them. Stick them somewhere visible. Your phone, your mirror, your fridge. Keep it motivating and tangible. Step 3. Learn smarter, not harder. Yes, English has a million words, but you only need a few hundred to survive in most conversations. Try these hacks. Spaced repetition apps like Anki or Memrise. Visual associations to help recall faster. Sticky notes on household objects. Rotate them weekly. Make learning fun and personal. That's what makes it stick. Step 4. Immerse yourself without a plane ticket. You don't need to live abroad yet to soak in the language. Try this. Listen to music or podcasts during your commute. Watch Netflix shows or YouTube videos with subtitles. Switch your phone or social media language settings. Even passive exposure helps your brain adapt to new sounds and patterns. Step 5. Practice out loud. Often, learning set phrases can get you out of tough spots. Try this lifesaver. Sorry, I'm still learning. Could you speak more slowly? Better yet, chat with native speakers. Use apps like Tandem or Hello Talk. Join local language exchange meetups. Volunteer or take part in cultural events. Speak often. Mistakes are progress in disguise. Step 6. Stay accountable. Set a challenge. Take a basic language test like DELI, TOEFL, HSK. Use quizzes or gamified learning apps. Do self-checks weekly. No pressure, just progress. Step 7. Make it fun. The golden rule. If you're enjoying it, you'll stick with it. Love cooking? Follow recipe videos in your target language. Fan of true crime? Watch documentaries with subtitles. Creative? Journal in your new language. Turn your passions into practice. How long does it really take? Short answer. It depends. Long answer. It's faster than you think when you're consistent. Easy to moderate languages like Spanish, Italian, English. Approximately 23 weeks at 20 hours per week. Harder languages like Mandarin, Arabic. Approximately 36 plus weeks. But if your goal is basic conversation, you could get there in 3 months. Embrace the awkward moments. You'll remember the times you messed up more than your flashcards. When your bus gets rerouted or you order the wrong dish. Those are real learning moments. They stick. They shape confidence. and they're part of the journey. Language equals access. Speak the local language, and you'll settle in faster, navigate paperwork with ease, connect with locals and culture, avoid costly misunderstandings. Even a few phrases show respect and open doors. Final takeaway, language isn't just a tool. It's your bridge to a new life. Start small, stay consistent. Even 5 new words a day will move you forward. Thanks for watching.